Did you just purchase the new iPad or any other iPad and are thinking, can I just make money using the iPad without a computer, microphone, or anything else? My answer is yes, which you probably know by the title of this video. So in this video, I will show you 6 ways in which you can only use the iPad to make money online as a complete beginner. Okay, so the very first way I suggest you make money with your iPad is by creating and selling Canva templates for social media on Etsy. That is completely free, no investment needed, especially with the 40 free listings that you get by using the link in the description below. So you can start making money with your iPad today by using Canva, the free version, your iPad, and by getting the 40 free listings that you have in the link in the description. So you can open a shop without investment and list your first 40 products for free. But now you may wonder, okay, what kind of Canva templates do I need to create? Are they hard to create? How do I do it? So I'm going to show you a set example of how you do that. The very first thing I suggest you do is you go to Sales Samurai. By using the link in the description, you have a 3-day free trial and you figure out what keywords people are already searching for on Etsy. For example, if you want to sell a workbook template for Canva, type that in Sales Samurai and see if it is a search keyword and if it's one worth competing for, so you can make money on Etsy using those templates. So let's go ahead and check that first. On the iPad, you can just go ahead and do that. So as you can see right here, we have workbook template, ebook template, Canva template, Canva workbook, lead magnet, and all that. I see that ebook template Canva has the highest search volume and then ebook template as well. So I see 2 of them right here that have high search volume, which will mean that I have chances at competing. And then I'm gonna see the Google competition is pretty low for Canva quotes, workbook template for InDesign, workbook template for coaching. And then I see a few products and their prices. So I'm going to take a look at that as well, because that's important to keep in mind how much I can price my workbook. So you want to get inspired by other products, but you don't want to copy the design, obviously. And the next thing you want to do is go to Canva on your iPad. Again, the free version, you don't need to invest a penny, and you want to go to what will you design and select A4, so basically a basic page. So A4 document, and choose the blank option because you want to be original. You want to create the design. You don't want to take any Canva designs. You don't want to take designs from anybody else. You have to be as original as you possibly can. So the first thing I suggest you do when you want to create this workbook is set up a few guidelines. So maybe you want to create an ebook template for bloggers on how to grow their blog traffic. For example, this is how the template will look, but everybody will be able to edit it however they like. So the first thing I suggest is that on the first page that you'll maybe delete later, you create a mood board. So the colors, the kind of photos you want to use in the ebook template, the kind of text, fonts, and a few basic ideas that you want to use in the ebook. So you want to do that by using Canva elements. I would like this to be very minimal, very neutral. So you want to add a few images that inspire you to create this ebook. Obviously, this can be better designed and different. I'm just going to give you an example of like how to do it. For example, this can be an ebook page. You can also add a subheading and explain what the ebook is going to be about. And then you can add some graphic elements or something like that, depending on how you want to design this ebook template. And you can do that. Again, I suggest offering multiple pages options. I suggest figuring out what an ebook needs to contain and giving them all those options. Once you will be done with the design of the ebook, and then you're gonna go share a link to use as template. And then you're going to copy the link. That specific link, you're going to give it in a PDF to people so that they can come in and just edit your template. When you upload this to Etsy, it's going to be very easy for them to just download it. But then how do you upload this item to Etsy? You're going to need the app Sell on Etsy, and you're going to go to your shop. You're going to open your shop, and then you're going to go to listings, add a new listing. Who made this item? I did. You're going to have to add all these details about your product. What it is, a finished product, when did you make it recently, what category it is. By using the link below, again, you get 40 free listings, so you won't be charged at 20 cents when you want to open your shop. Once you upload your item to Etsy, it will be really easy for people to download it once they purchased it. And that's one way you can make money without investment, only using your iPad, so you don't need a computer to do this at all. Now, the next way you can make money using your iPad is by offering freelance services on Fiverr. For that, you will need to obviously install the Fiverr app, which looks something like this on the iPad, and you can go and select Become a Seller. You will be able to create your gig, deliver your work, and get paid. So you'll need to continue and join Fiverr. They will ask you to add a few things about yourself, optimize your profile. You'll need to confirm your identity, your phone number. So you'll be able to sell freelancing services for social media management or for anything else that you want. Fiverr is a website with a bunch of freelance services in every category possible. You'll be able to work with clients and deliver the work from your iPad directly or from your phone. You won't need a computer. As for the work, you will need to select a type of work that you'll be able to do on the iPad. For example, social media management, because something like website design will require a computer. So to start doing the work, pick a niche and then start optimizing the photos and the videos for your profile. Show your work that you've done, Instagram reels that you've created, maybe posts, feeds that you've created for somebody else. If you want to create certain photos or videos for your gig, you can definitely use the camera of the iPad to film yourself and film a nice video, and then you can just use iMovie to edit your video inside the iPad. Besides that, a few tips that I have for you is to watch obviously all my other videos on how to grow on Fiverr, because they all apply to when creating a profile and creating gigs from your iPad. Optimize your profile, write as many details as you can, add a fun profile image of yourself so that people can see who they're working with, and I'm sure people will find you and you'll find your work and they will want to work with you. But also remember to add more than one gig at first and create very well designed images for your gig as well as videos. The next way to make money using your iPad is by filming and uploading YouTube videos, but different types of YouTube videos. The first one that I want to talk about is just the basic tutorial type or basic YouTube videos in any niche that you want by filming them with your iPad and editing them with your iPad. iPads have really good camera quality, especially if you get some lighting, and upload weekly YouTube videos and make money with that once you get monetized. You can also make money with affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and more. Now, another good idea is that if you don't want to film yourself and make videos such as these ones, you can always use the apps Pexels, Unsplash, or Pixabay to get free stock videos. And over those videos, you can add sounds, you can add different voice recordings that you've made. For example, you can do interior design tips for beginners, get a bunch of videos, free stock videos of interior design, and then put them together in iMovie with your voice, with music, and arrange them really well and make an interior design channel. You can do that with a bunch of niches with the free stock videos that are available. With the YouTube audio library, you can get free music on there as well, and that's a great idea for creating content on YouTube. The next idea of making money with videos on YouTube using your iPad is by gaming. So there are a bunch of games that you can get on your iPad for free as well that people might be interested in seeing. So you can record yourself playing those games by recording sound, the microphone, and the game with an app such as Record It. You can go to the App Store and download it right now. So that's another great idea for creating content on YouTube with gaming with your iPad. Another idea by creating videos and getting free stock videos and getting audios is to create videos with music. So for example, you can get free stock music and then you can get to Pexels and get, for example, a raining video. Those are very popular. Then you have a bunch more videos of splashing rain that you can just add as the background of one of your videos. And then you can combine free stock music with free stock sounds such as rain sounds and create those types of videos for YouTube. And now a great way to make money with your iPad is by using the Record It app and recording yourself reacting to videos, whether videos that you've created or videos that you find on YouTube. So you can do that by just going to the Record It app, and I will share some screenshots of what it looks like when you want to record yourself reacting to a YouTube video. And then you can click React to Videos and click React to a YouTube video. You'll be able to enter the YouTube URL that you want to react to. And there, here I am, and I can react to this video right here. You can choose where you want to be on the screen when you're recording, and then you just react to videos, and this is how you do reaction videos using your iPad that you can upload to YouTube. So these were 6 ways that you can use your iPad to make money online without experience as a beginner and by simply only using your iPad, nothing else. If you've enjoyed this video and it helped you out in some way, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more money making videos every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess, and we can chat if you ever need help with social media marketing or making more money online. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.